Look, I have like the best brother ever. This dude over here start cutting the grass. I have the best brother ever.
Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Hey, welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel.
We got big trucks, big lives, new verse, new track, big things. We turning up in this things. On the beat, we got heat. Thanks to Big Byrd. On the beat, we got big trucks, big lives, new verse.
What's going on? Hello, I'm Dave. It's your Bellway back with another episode. And as you can see, I'm already a little sweaty. Just did a little cut in the grass for my sister real quick. But we over here now about to wash these trucks. And I guess I'm gonna give you a quick rundown how I wash like a fleet real quick. What I usually do, I usually start with the turbo nozzle and actually knock off all the dirt, grime, all that heavy, bulky stuff. And I just hit the turbo nozzle with the undercarriage and the bed and like around the frame of the truck. So it doesn't do no damage or anything like that. I don't hit the cab with the turbo nozzle because of course it can strip paint. So then I switch to this one. Once I do the undercarriage and tires and so off the front, I usually come back by, then pop the hoods. I usually hit the front with a car and wash like soap and wax. It's a real nice wax, and hit that with the front with the brush and then wash it off. So that's just the basics, you know. So sit back, watch. Ooh, we got some yellow jackets out here. Sit back and watch and stay tuned.
They supposedly fairies.
What, yellow jackets?
Don't I look hot out here? Don't I look hot? Gotta take my clothes off. Yeah, 'cause it's so hot. 'Cause it's so
Yeah, okay, yeah. Hey, I'm in the field having motion. Straight out the South and Sea coasting. Excuse all the bragging and boasting, but I keep it frank, but it's deeper than ocean. Please watch your feet while you stepping. I've been receiving my blessings. Used to work in what I slept in. Now all this blue cheese be the reason I'm dressing. I put my heart on my shoulder. They almost thought it was over. I had to get a look colder, man. I had to pump on the brakes and the rotors. I'm always paying my dues. I'm never playing to lose. Doing and say what I choose.
What's going on? Appreciate y'all for sticking with me this whole time. As you can see, it's not a long process, but when you got a couple trucks, it does take a little bit of time. But drop a comment, drop a like, comment down in the comments if you got any suggestions, anything I should do. I'm tired. So to the next time, in between time, till you see me on the next time, peace.
Hey, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. I said welcome to the channel. His name Dave. His name Dave. His name Dave. Welcome to the channel. His name Dave.